Hi friends, welcome to our Model Maths Nagara Sir YouTube channel. Now in this session, second year maths to be 4th chapter ellipse part 2, 4 marks questions we are discussing. So before that, please subscribe our channel if you are newly watching, and please click the like button and also give comment. Okay, enter into the problems. 5th question onwards in this part we are going to discuss 4 marks questions, and introduction part has completed in the part 1. If you want that link, I can provide in the description. Okay, find the equation of ellipse if focus 1 comma minus 1, e value 2 by 3, e means eccentricity, directrix x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, ellipse equation we should find. So what are the given? Focus is given, eccentricity is given, direction. Just write the given terms as it is. Solution. What is given? S is given 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity is given 2 by 3, and the directrix line L is given x plus y plus 2 equal 0. I am just drawing the diagram of ellipse here, because if you write the diagram we may get some clarity. Focus some point, and this is some directrix line. So what is the condition of the ellipse? SP by PM is equal to E. So what is P? Yes, that we don't know. So let us take that P is some x comma y. Okay, so let a point P x comma y is on ellipse. Okay, so now condition is SP by PM equal to small e, eccentricity. What is SP? Is equal to PM center, right side, E into PM. SP means what? SP means this is distance for between S 1 comma minus 1 and P x comma y is equal. E means E only. PM means what? Is a perpendicular distance from P x comma y to line x plus y plus 2 equal 0. Is it clear? SP means distance between these 2 points. PM means distance between P to line. So what is distance between 2 points formula? So can I write the formulas here? So in the next step I will simplify. We can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both the same formulas, there is no problem at all. And what is perpendicular distance formula? Modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay, so if you write the formulas, you will get some better improvement in the solution. So here this is x1 y1, or otherwise you can write x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, and this is I am taking x1 y1, this is I am taking x2 y2. So formula applying x1 minus x2, so x minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus y2, y minus of minus 1 becomes y plus 1 whole square is equal, means is equal. E means what? E means eccentricity, that is given 2 by 3. Next, modulus. What is A? So this is must be compared with ax plus by plus c equal 0. So A value 1, B value 1, C value 2. A value how much? 1. So 1 into x1 means x, B value also 1 into y1 means y plus c, C is 2 by root of a square, 1 square plus b square, 1 square. So we should simplify this. So we get x minus 1 whole square means x square, no need to write bracket, minus 2ab, 2x plus b square 1, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab means 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into, so now 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 2 by root 2. So here square root is there, here root is there. To remove this square root and root, we have the squaring on both sides. So here only I am writing squaring on both sides. So we get a square and simplify. Square root cancel. The remaining terms are, what are the remaining terms? X square minus 2x plus 1 square means 1 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal 2 by 3 into, so this is also a plus b plus c whole square. Sorry, here 2 by 3 also having square. So 2 square means 4 3 square means 9. So carefully do the simplification without any mistake. Now a plus b plus c whole square. According to a plus b plus c whole square, formula a square plus b square plus c square. So like that, x square plus y square plus 2 square. Next to 2ab means 2xy plus 2bc. How much? 2 to the 4y plus 2ca means 2 to the 4x by root 2 square means 2. So here 2 to the cancel. So 2 nothing, 9 is there, 9 bring left side, 9 into x square, 9x square, 9 into 2 18x, 9 into 1 9, 9 into y square, 9y square, 9 into 2 18y, 9 into 1 9 is equal. Next 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into y square, 2y square, 2 square means 4, 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4xy, 2 4 ja 8y, 2 4 ja 8x. So all bring left side. So becomes 9x square minus 18x plus 9y square plus 18y. So 9 plus 9 18, and all these terms bring left side, becomes minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 8 minus 4xy minus 8y minus 8x is equal 0. Now see the x square terms, here 9 are there, here x square terms 2 are there. So 9x square minus 2x square is 7x square, and 9y square minus 2y square is 7y square. Then xy terms minus 4xy. Then x terms here minus 18x are there, here minus 8x are there, totally minus 26x. And y terms here plus 18y are there, here minus 8, so becomes plus 10y. Am I right? 18 minus 8, 10y. Next constant term here plus 18, here minus 8, 18 minus 8 is plus 10 is equal 0. So anything common? So nothing. So this is the answer of this question. So friends, 6th onwards we have to know some formulas, that is what is tangent, what is normal, simple formulas one by one. Equation of ellipse, generally s is x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1 equal 0. So to this ellipse equation, what is tangent equation? That is s1 equal 0, x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 equal 0. Second, equation of normal, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Next, what is the condition for a line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse s equal 0, that is c square equal a square m square plus b square. So that is the condition. It's a very most important condition this is. Next, and the point of contact is minus a m square by c comma b square by c. Then after, and we have parametric equations of ellipse, that is x is equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. So according to these parametric equations, the tangent equation at this point means at a cos theta comma b sin theta is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b minus 1 equal 0. Similarly, equation of normal, ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equal a square. So this is simply we can derive in this tangent equation. Substitute x1 y1 means a cos theta b sin theta, and simplify we get this tangent in terms of theta. Similarly, substitute this a cos theta comma b sin theta in this normal equation, we get another normal equation of ellipse in terms of theta. Yes. And otherwise you just remember the formulas. Next, equation of directed circle to the ellipse s equal 0 is x square plus y square equal a square plus b square. So these are the some most important formulas. In the part 1 we have learned some formulas, in part 2 these are the formulas. Totally these are all completed formulas. So let us see the next problem based on these concepts. Yes. Just now we have seen the formula. Condition for a line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse is c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Now, so the same condition is asked for 4 marks question, and how to prove this one. So very simple. First, given ellipse equation, given that capital S is given, x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1 equal 0 is equal to 1, bring left side. So now write down what is the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is what? S1 equal 0. So that means x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 equal 0. And I am rewriting this. x1 by a square into x plus y1 by b square into y minus 1 equal 0, equation 1. So this is the tangent equation according to the tangent formula, s1 equal to 0. But another equation is given as tangent. What is that? Y equal to mx plus c. But another given tangent equation is y equal mx plus c. So I am just rewriting in order. Mx I am writing as it is, y send right side minus y plus c, and left side is equal 0, is nothing. So is equal 0 I am writing right side. So this is I am taking as equation 2. So now I am going to compare these two equations because of this is the tangent equation, this is also tangent equation. So what is the relation between these two? Means we have to compare these two. So here x coefficient is x1 by a square, here x coefficient is m. Okay. So now comparing 1 and 2. Why I am comparing 1 and 2? Both represent same tangent equation. So here x1 by a square by here x coefficient is m is equal, here y coefficient is y1 by b square, and here y coefficient is minus 1. Here constant term minus 1 by here constant c. So now we have to simplify this, equating first and last. First one is x1 by a square goes to new denominator, a square m is equal to minus 1 by c. And similarly equating second and third, y1 b square goes to denominator by minus b square equal minus 1 by c. So now x1 is equal a square m rend right side minus a square m by c. So point x1 also we got it. Next y1 equal minus b square into minus 1 becomes plus b square by c. So actually this point is called point of contact, minus a square m by c comma b square by c. Okay. So x1 y1 we got it as minus a square m by c b square by c. Okay. So this is called as point of contact, is called as point of contact. Okay. So next x1 y1, the point is on equation 2 or equation 1. I am going to substitute on equation 2. So x1 y1 lies on equation 2. So what is equation 2? mx, x1 means x1, y means y1 plus c equal 0. Now m into what is x1 here? Minus a square m by c minus y1 means b square by c plus c equal 0. We should simplify this, then after we can get the condition. Okay. So let us see how I am simplifying. C is the denominator, m into minus a square m becomes minus a square m square minus b square, c into c is c square is equal 0. So c send right side, c into something 0, and remaining minus a square m square minus b square plus c square equal 0, and c square equal, send these terms to right side, a square m square plus b square. Got it the condition? Hence proved. Okay. Yes, this is the 4 marks question. Okay. So if it is possible, please note down or take a screenshot. Yes, go to next question. Yes, next 7th question. So this is very most important question, very most important 4 marks question. First preference is how to find eccentricity, find major axis, length of minor axis, latest rectum. In part 1 we have learned. So those questions are important, and the next importance is given to this type of question. Okay. Yes. What is this? Find the equation of tangent to the ellipse 2x square plus y square is equal to 8, which is parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 equal 0, perpendicular to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So we should find two tangent equation. One is tangent to this ellipse and that is parallel to this one. So okay, now we should find an equation of tangent to whom? Given ellipse equation. Is point is given? No. But what is given? Another straight line is given. Yes. So this is the ellipse. We should find some another line is there, x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the ellipse. So for this ellipse we can draw infinitely many tangents, but which tangent we have to find? Parallel to the given line. So this one we have to find. So how to? Very simple. First just write down given ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 8. That means 2x square 8 divided with 8 to get general equation of ellipse. Y square by 8 is equal to 8 by 8. 1, 4. So x square by 4 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1. So that means we can write what is a square 4, b square 8. Am I right? So comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. From these two we can write a square equal to 4, that means a equal to 2. B square equal to 8, that means b equal to root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. We just leave the terms as it is. Next to first condition. First condition what? Parallel to. Okay. So before writing this first condition, what is the parallel equation of some straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0? What is the formula? Can anybody say? Yes, ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Okay. So formula I am writing. So parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. So this is the formula actually. Okay. So now what is the question? Parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is what? Same, the x terms, y terms not changed, but constant will be changed. So becomes x minus 2y plus k equal to 0, equation 1. So this is the required answer. But here we know x coefficient, y coefficient, but constant term we don't know, that we have to find. If we find this constant, the problem will be completed. So how to find this constant? That means this one I am going to convert minus 2y is equal to minus x minus k. So that minus multiply with divide with minus 2 on both sides. So y equal x by 2 plus k by 2. Do you understand? So minus 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 all cancel. 2 goes to right side, by 2 each and everything plus plus. So comparing with the general y equal to mx plus c. So m will be, x means x, m will be 1 by 2, c is k by 2. So I am going to use the condition. What is condition? Condition always use c square equal a square m square plus b square. Here c means what? K by 2. So k by 2 whole square is equal to a square means 4 into m square means 1 by 2 square plus b square means 8. So simplify and find k value and substitute in equation 1. So that will be the equation of tangent parallel to given ellipse. Parallel to given line to the given ellipse. So k square by 4 is equal 1 by 2 whole square means what? 1 by 4 plus 8, 4 cancel. K square by 4 equal to 9 because of 1 plus 8, 9. K square equal to 4 9 is 36. So k equal to plus or minus 6. Now substitute k equal plus or minus 6 in equation 1. So then the equation 1 becomes x minus 2y plus or minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So very most important question this is. Is it clear? Very simple. First write the ellipse equation and convert in standard form and take the first straight line equation. So what is the parallel to this straight line is, so there is nothing, x coefficients, y coefficients, same terms should be written. Instead of constant, whatever there here constant, okay, don't think about that, just write plus k and convert this in the form of y equal to mx plus c, transform. It is transformed as y equal to mx plus c model. And what is m, what is c, just write down and write the condition, substitute values, find k value. After getting k value, again substitute in equation 1. So that equation 1 is the, after substituting k value in equation 1, we get the answer for the first question only. Next question what? Perpendicular. Is it clear? Yes. So up to here, okay. Please. Second one perpendicular. Actually, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular line to ax plus by plus c equal 0 is what? So here instead of say we should write some constant another, and y coefficient goes to x coefficient goes to y coefficient, and plus becomes minus. So the formula is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Okay, so this is the formula. According to this formula, perpendicular to, what is the perpendicular to which line? X plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is what? So 1x minus y plus k equal to 0, equation 2. Okay, first one is completed up to here, then after write down from here to now. Now same thing, minus y equal, send xk right side, minus x minus k, and multiply with minus y equal to plus x plus k, comparing with y equal to mx plus c. So then m is what? X coefficient m, x coefficient 1, c is what? K. Now what is condition? Condition what? C square equal a square m square plus b square. C square means what? K square. A square means what? In the starting I just removed. Actually a square was what? 4, b square was 8. Am I right? Once see your notes. A square is 4 and m square. So m is 1. So 1 square. B square. What is b? 8. So k square equal 4 1 is 4 plus 8 12. So k equal plus or minus root 12. Root 12 means 4 3 is so 2 root 3. So this is the k value. Substitute k value in equation 2. That will be the answer. Substitute k equal plus or minus 2 root 3 in equation 2. So x minus y plus or minus 2 root 3 equal 0 is the required answer. So that is perpendicular, this is parallel line equation. Got it. This is this 7th question solution. Next see the one more question, 8th question. Yes, 8th question. Find the equation of tangent to 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144, which makes equal intercepts on coordinates. So first given that ellipse is 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. So generally we should convert transform in the general form. So to that on the right side 144 is there. So dividing 144 on both sides. So is equal 144 by 144 gets cancelled. 16 9 ja, 9 16 ja. So x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. What is a square value? 16. That means a equal to 4. What is b square value? 9. That means b equal to 3. And which makes equal intercepts on coordinates annadu. What is the intercept form of line? Intercept form of line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Actually generally that is. But here he is saying that in the question equal intercept. Equal intercept means these two values should be same. So given that intercepts are equal. Intercepts are equal. Intercepts are equal means a equal to b equal to some k. So therefore this line becomes what? X by k plus y by k is equal to 1. That means x plus y is equal, x plus y by k equal to 1. And x plus y is equal, k send right side, k into 1 k. Then after y equal x and right side becomes minus x plus k. So now comparing with general equation mx plus c. What is m value? Minus 1. What is c value? K. Yes, x coefficient m, x coefficient minus 1. So m equal to minus 1. Next write down the condition. What is condition? C square equal a square m square plus b square. What is c value? That is k. So c square means k square. A square value from here 16 into m square means minus 1 square plus b square means from here 9. So k square equal minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 into 16 16 and plus 9. So k square equal 25, k equal plus or minus 5. K value also we got it. After k value, what we have to do? So this is the required equation. So substitute k equal plus or minus 5 in equation 1. So therefore x plus y is equal plus or minus 5. Or we can write x plus y, bring left side, even you bring left side also it becomes plus or minus 5. Because of it may plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus minus or plus, nothing but plus or minus, both are same. So we can write plus or minus again. So x plus y plus or minus 5 equal to 0 is the answer. That's it. Shall we go to next problem? Is any doubt? First, each and every question, ellipse must be transformed in the generalization standard form. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And then after, what is a square, what is b square? And see the question, what we have to do, which makes equal intercepts on coordinate. Equal intercepts, intercept form what? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Generally, we have some types of straight lines are there in Maths 1b we have studied in the last year. So what is a slope intercept form, what is point slope form, what is intercept form, what is normal form. So like that 4 or 5 types are there. So that's why intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal 1. And if we are saying that equal, so it means a and b are equal. A and b are equal means both I am taking as some constant k. So it becomes x by k plus y by k equal 1. And after solving this, x plus y equal to k. So now this is the required tangent equation. But here k value we don't know. To find k value, use the condition, and through the condition k value we got it as plus or minus 5, and substitute in equation 1, that is the answer. Okay. Yes. Next, ninth question. Find the equation of tangent to 2x square plus y square equal to 8, which makes an angle pi by 4 with x axis in the positive direction. So first, whatever the question, take the given ellipse equation. So given that 2x square plus y square equal to 8, we must divide with 8. So 2x square by 8 plus y square by 8 is equal to 8 by 8. Gets cancelled to 4 ja. So x square by 4 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1 we are getting. So comparing with general equation, we get a square equal to 4, that means a equal to 2, b square equal to 8, that means b equal to 2 root 2. So you can ask one doubt, sir, here a square equal to 4, so why don't we take a equal plus or minus 2? Am I right? Yes. So a means it is a distance. So the distance always can be measured in positive units only. So up to from here to here 2, so this is taken as 2 comma 0. From here to here also 2, but whenever locate the point is located as minus 2 comma 0. But what is length means, we can say that the length of this axis is 2 only. So 2 plus 2, 4 units of major length of axis. Okay. So leave it to that concept. You just remember, you do only one thing, that is here take only positive value of a, positive value of b. That's it. Okay. Next, take the question. So we got it a square b square. Okay. Angle is given. So given that theta is given as pi by 4. Whenever theta is given, so we can write the slope. That is slope represented as tan theta. Slope means we have several formulas. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 when 2 points are given. When angle is given, the slope formula is tan theta. So according to this tan formula, what is theta? Pi by 4. So tan 45 degrees what? 1. So m value we got it as 1. Okay. So let equation of tangent, generally we know that is y equal mx plus c. But here we know m value, but we don't know c value. So how to find this constant c value? C means c only here, and what is c value? So apply the condition. What is condition? C square equal a square m square plus b square. C square means c only. In the previous problems we have taken as k, but here c means c only. And a square means 4 into m square means 1 square, b square means what is b square? 8. So c square equal 1 square means 1 4 ja 4 plus 8, c square equal to 12 So c equal plus or minus root 12. So c equal plus or minus 2 root 3. Root 12 means 2 root 3. So here we can take plus or minus because of c means constant term. It may be negative or it may be positive. Okay. Here a and b must be positive. Yes. So we got its c value and m value. Substitute this m and c values in equation 1. That will be the final answer. So now substitute m equal to 1, c equal plus or minus 2 root 3 in equation 1. So then the equation of tangent becomes y equal to 1 into x plus or minus 2 root 3. I am rewriting as straight line formation, y sending right side 1 into x, y sending right side minus y plus or minus 2 root 3, and the left side is equal to 0. So that I am writing instead of left side, right side I am writing. So this is the final answer of this is the required tangent equation. How we can say tangent? Because of we used tangent condition, that's why it is tangent equation. Yes. Shall we go to next problem? Yeah. Yes, 10th question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the ellipse x square plus 8y square equal 33 at minus 1 comma 2. So here point is given, what is tangent equation? Point is given, what is normal equation? Whenever point x1 y1 is given, what is tangent equation? Yes, s1 equal to 0, very good. Otherwise x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly we can write normal equation also, that also we have. So first, what is the first thing given? That first step is write the ellipse equation, transform the general form. 33 is there, so divide by 33. 8y square by 33 is equal 33 by 33. Of course this is 1, but here x square by 33, okay, plus y square by not cancelling, so how can we write? Means 33 by 8. Okay, so a square is 33, b square is 33 by 8. Okay, so obviously a value root 33, b value root 33 by 2 root 2. Okay, leave it. Now first thing, point. What is point? Minus 1 comma 2. So tangent at this is I am taking p. Point p is generally x1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 equal 0. So x means x, x1 means what? This is minus 1, y1 means 2. So x into minus 1 by a square means 33. Next plus y into y1 means 2 by b square is 33 by 8 minus 1 equal 0. So now we should simplify this. So 8 is in the denominator, it goes to numerator. So whenever it goes to multiply 8 to just 16. So minus x by 33 plus 8 goes to numerator, 8 to just 16y by 33 minus 1 equal 0. So 33 becomes LCM. So minus x plus 16y minus 33 1 ja 33 is equal 0. So minus x plus 16y minus 33 is equal 0. Or we can write x minus 16y plus 33 equal 0. So this is the first equation of tangent at minus 1 comma 2. Now second one, equation of normal at p minus 1 comma 2. So this is x1 y1. What is that? What is the formula of normal equation? What is the normal equation? Yes, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal a square minus b square. So substitute the values. A square value 33 into x by x1 means minus 1 minus b square is 33 by 8. So 33 by 8 we can write like in this way, into y by y1 means 2 and is equal a square means 33 minus b square means 33 by 8. Okay, just write the formula, substitute the values. So it becomes minus 33x minus 33y by 16 is equal 33 minus 33 by 8. Of course each 33 take common and gets cancelled. So we get minus x minus y by 16 is equal 1 minus 1 by 8. So take the LCM, 16 is LCM, 16 into minus So minus 16x minus y is equal 8 1 ja 8 minus 1 7 by 8, and again 8 1 ja 8 2 ja gets cancelled, minus 16x minus y equal 2 7 ja 14. Send these all terms to right side, becomes 16x plus y plus 14 is equal 0 is the answer. That's it. So these are the 10 4 marks questions, and again we have another, I think 5 or 6 are there. Same type of question like 10th question. Here also asking what is tangent and what is normal to the given ellipse. But point, where is point? Indirectly point also given. So where is point? First let us simplify the given equation ellipse. So that is 9x square plus 16y square equal 144. Simplify this. So many times it is repeated, this equation of the ellipse. Am I right? So 1 16 9 ja 9 16 ja, so x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal 1. So a square is 16, a is 4, b square is 9, b is 3. So now see the question. We should find tangent, that is s1 equal 0. But what is the point? Point is one end of lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? So focus, passing through the focus, the double ornate is called lattice rectum. So we can get 1 2 3 4 ends of the lattice rectum, but this is belongs to first quadrant. In the first quadrant, what is the end point of lattice rectum? That is a comma b square by a. So friends, I think these end points are not taught in the previous part also. So that's why I am saying 4 end points. This is a comma b square by a. So this is a comma minus b square by a. So this is minus a comma b square by a, and this is minus a comma minus b square by a. So these 4 are the ends of the 2 lattice rectums. So here end of lattice rectum in the first quadrant. So what is first quadrant? X axis, y axis. This is the first quadrant. Am I right? So this is the first end of lattice rectum. So a value we know, b value we know, but we don't know e value. So for that, first we should find eccentricity. Here which is greater? A is greater. So formula a square minus b square by a square is equal, what is 16 minus 9 by a square is 16. 16 minus 9 means root 7 by root 16 means 4. This is the e value. So end point of lattice rectum. End point of lattice rectum is a comma b square by a. So this is a means 4, a means root 7 by 4, comma b square is 9 by a means 4. 4 cancel. So root 7 comma 9 by 4 is the end point of lattice rectum. So this is the point. Okay. So now tangent equation. First tangent. What is tangent? S1 equal to 0. So what we can write? x1 by 16 plus y1 by 9 minus 1 equal 0. What is x1? Root 7. What is y1? 19 by 4. So x into root 7 by 16 plus y by 9, y1 means 9 by 4. So y1 means 9 by 4 minus 1 equal 0. Obviously 9 cancel. So 16 is the LCM. So root 7x, 4 tables 16, 4 ja, 4 into y, 4y, and 16 minus 1 ja, minus 16. So root 7x plus 4y minus 16 is equal 0. So root 7x plus 4y, yes, this is the answer only. Okay. So no need to write another steps. Okay. Tangent equation we got it. Next to normal equation. So equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal a square minus b square. So a square x by, what is x1? Root 7. So a square also we have. What is a square? 16. 16 by x1 means root 7 minus b square what? What is b square value? 9 by y1 means 9 by 4 is equal a square means 16, b square means 9. After simplifying this, we can get the answer. Any doubt? Okay. So here 9 gets cancelled, 4 goes to numerator. So 16x by root 7 minus 4y is equal 16 minus 9 how much? 7. So each and every term multiply with root 7. So 16x minus 4 root 7y is equal to 7 root 7. This is the answer. So friends, these are the up to 11 questions we have completed with these two parts, and in the next part the remaining 4 or 5 problems are there. So in that also some important problems are there. I will tell you what are the most important and what is necessary. And only we learned here only 15 or 16 4 marks questions, and these are very enough. So and if you are interested, if you completed these problems, then you can go to another problems from the textbooks, there is no problem, but you must very perfect or very good in these formulas, then only we can get good marks, because of in the exam our appearance, what you know, that we must write in the better way. So that is the most important. How many problems we are learning is not important, how many you are learning, in that how many you are writing in the perfect way. So that is very most important. So thank you for watching our classes. If you are newly watching, please subscribe and please click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you watching classes.